So I'm making a butternut squash cake. So I always like to make a use of the bottom part of my butternut squash. So I just baked it in some foil and scooped out some of the flesh. I'm going to use that tomorrow to get my breakfast, maybe to make a waffle, so I could pop that back in the fridge. So in here I've got 2 tablespoons sweetener, just over half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of bicarbonate of soda, a pinch of salt, an egg yolk, 2 small tablespoons of fat-free yogurt, mixed spice, heaped teaspoon of cinnamon, large tablespoon of B&D's chocolate coffee, and naturally the 2 heaped tablespoons of the butternut squash. Creating the right havoc here, 1 second. Okay, so I'm just going to whiz it up. So the next thing to go in there is just some oatbran. So the oatbran's in, I'm going to continue to whisk it. Okay, so I separated the egg. Okay, so here's my egg white. I'm just going to whiz that up now until it goes thick. Then I'm going to fold it into the cake batter, which is there. So just pop the camera down a second. So there you go, the egg white's there, and it comes together really easily. I was going to use the spoon just to fold it through, using the sharp end of the spoon to cut it through so we don't lose the air. I'm going to continue to do that for a second, then pop it into the baking form I'm choosing. So there you go, that's the batter now, and I've pre-greased with some spray oil my couple of chosen tins. Now, I did forget to mention I did add in there a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So, but I will put all the ingredients up with the video. So, there we go, that's going in. It's a beautiful light batter, just look at that. That's going to make a really nice cake. Beautiful. So I'm going to finish that off, and the oven's on at 180 and it'll cook for about 15 minutes. So I'm making a sort of a frosting to go on top of my cake when it's cooked. In here I've got 20 grams of the Eat Clean cheese, a tablespoon of sweetener, and a little bit of almond essence. Just going to bring those together. And if it's a little bit too thick, I might add just a little bit of yogurt to create kind of frosting that I want. Absolutely smell amazing. You can see I've tested it and they've come out light, and they're cooked. They are as light as a feather, absolutely scrumptious. So out of that mix, 2 tablespoons of oatbran, I've got 2 larger muffins and 1 small one, so that's 3 muffins. I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to decorate those when they've cooled down. There you go. They look absolutely scrumptious. Truly lovely. So I've just grated over a little bit of orange zest. Got a couple of tablespoons of fat-free yogurt, unflavoured, as I like it like that. Now the frosting on top, I did add a tablespoon of yogurt to it, and also a teaspoon of ginger, and that works really, really well. It's a fantastic flavour. And a little bit of orange zest on top. So I'm going to tuck down now and watch a movie and enjoy my cake with a nice cup of cherry and vanilla tea.